Good morning, David Zien, EMEA Sales Director for Vivitek. Welcome to our booth on ISE 2020. Today I have the great pleasure to introduce you our brand new product, the NovoDisplay. NovoDisplay is a unique product, unique because it's a panel that includes wireless collaboration and digital signage. And you can seamlessly move from one to the other. So for instance, if I use my telephone, I can decide I want to connect to this screen and share my screen. And this is what I'm going to do now. I'm using the application, but I can also use AirPlay or any software that is installed on my PC or on my Mac PC. The good thing is that this is coming in 4 sizes, and it's coming in 43-inch, 55-inch, 65-inch, and 75 inches. I will show you that if I disconnect, I will seamlessly go back into the signage mode, and then you can enjoy the full functionality in your meeting room. For more information, I would recommend you to visit our website, www.vivitek.eu. Thank you very much, and looking forward to welcome you on our booth on ISE 2020.